Hello, Booster Beast here with yet another video. Today we'll be opening up some Flesh and Blood. To be exact, we'll be opening up Dusk Dawn. Dusk Till Dawn. Flesh and Blood. I hope I'm pulling some Marvels or Legend cards or the top rare cards. I don't remember the name of them. But you make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into it. Like always, we got 3 packs. Get into them. There's one. There's 2. Let's push these aside. And we'll go through them once we have them all 3 open. Let's see if we pulled anything amazing. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. Let's get into it. Okay. Got all 3 packs. We'll move these over. Alright, first we got Charge of the Light Brigade. Searing Ray. Resounding Courage. Rift Skitter. Aliva, Putrid Stings, Soul Butcher, Hollow is Celestial Resolve, the rare is Lay to Rest, and then we got a Mythic Poison the Well. Alright. Next up we have Glaring Impact, Blistering Assault, Light the Way, Break the Dawn, or Break of Dawn, Tribute to Demolition, Ruin Chant, Soul Cleaver, the foil is Phantom Wraith, which is a cool looking card, the rare is Banneret of Vigor, and then our second rare, Envelop in Darkness. So does that mean there's 2 rares in every pack? I don't know. Okay, and then we got Angelic Wraith, Resounding Courage, Searing Ray, Battlefield Breaker, Beseech the Demigorgon, Rift Skitter, Shade Swing, the foil is a Charge of the Light Brigade, and we got the rare V for Valor, and then we got a rare Blessing of Salvation. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Booster Beast out.